Hello everybody, my name is Kyle Kalk and welcome to my week 2 video review for MDF2 1404. This week we were tasked with creating a application that would display all of your friends that you have on Twitter. For me, I had to go add a few more because I really didn't have anyone on Twitter since I really don't use Twitter at all, so I added a few more to get our 10 that we needed. And basically, the application on the main view, it displays all of the friends you have in a collection view, and if you select one, then it will go into a detailed view and then display information pertaining to just that one particular person or team or whatever you happen to be following or whoever your friend is. I'm going to start off here again with a quick overview of my code. There's nothing too different from last week's. This top part here is basically the same. There's an else check for the internet, so if you do not get the status code of 200, you get an error that you're not connected to the internet. Else here again, this is if you have, for whatever reason, denied access to Twitter and are trying to use a Twitter application, which wouldn't make a whole heck of a lot of sense, but it's here, so if I'll show it in the demo of my app just to show that it does indeed work. Again, nothing too drastically different here. Collection view here, sell for item at index path. It's very familiar. It looks much the same as our table view information. I just create it and then I get all my information, and then down here I actually have it all doing the image URL right here, so then I get the data and then I save it to a UI image, and then a little bit further down I actually pass that into my mutable array and it'll save into a singleton I created, which honestly, after learning how to make singletons, I prefer them. I think they're really good and rather easy to use, and I've definitely grown to enjoy using them. It was a little daunting when we first learned about them, but now it's kind of second nature and it's pretty easy to use and rather I find rather good to use them. And down here, the prepare for segue, there's nothing too difficult about this. Basically, you're just finding the index for the selected item, and then I just call my singleton, toss out the data from that one, and it goes into my detailed view. So now I'm going to start it up. I'm actually right now not connected to the internet, so we'll start this up here, and I should be getting some sort of error. Give it a couple seconds here. There we go. I actually also have it declined right now for the Twitter account, so it's coming up with that one first. So what I'll do here is we'll go back and I'll change my settings. Twitter, I'll let you use it now. So we'll go back, settings. I'll just quit the simulator and start it back up. So we'll start it again. Build succeeded. So now I should get the internet. There we go. No internet connection. You're not connected to the internet. Okay. Again, we'll just close on out, and now we'll connect back to the Wi-Fi. All right, and we'll start it once more, and this will just show off the application working and running. So we'll wait for all the information to load in. Sometimes it takes a little longer than others. So here's my information. As you can see, everything's listed here. So let's just click on Xbox. And then as you can see, I put a little label at the top again, just so it's, gives the user the information that this is the Xbox information, though granted they could see it because it's all Xbox information here, but you never know. Just click on another one, and as you can see, it just goes like that. And there was nothing too difficult about it. It's really interesting learning all this different ways of being able to do this kind of data gathering and how you can different ways to display it to the user. And I look forward to continue to learn different ways and ideas on to how to better get the information for the user and to better display it to the user. Thank you all very much for watching my video, and I hope you all had a great week. Thank you very much.